to Wanted Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In case you don't know, Wanted Beauty is a brand that is focused on helping beginners find their way around skincare. So it's tailored for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you're trying to find your way around skincare, you want to know some basic things about skincare and how to solve some basic skincare concerns like acne, then this is the right place for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video. Also feel free to share this video with your friends. Today we're going to be talking about how to know your skin type. There are 5 types of skin types. There is the oily, there is the dry, there is the combination, there is the sensitive, and there is the normal skin type. Now, number 1, there is the oily skin, and that's coincidentally the skin type that I fall under. I have oily skin. Oily skin is characterized by your face being excessively oily than other people because there is an excessive production, sebum production going on in your skin. So the next type of skin type is the direct opposite of oily skin, and that is the dry skin. If you have a dry skin, it means that your oil glands do not produce enough sebum. Therefore, it leaves your skin feeling dry, tight, sometimes flaky, sometimes peeling. But you would know if you're oily skin because your face looks leathery and it looks like you need to be applying a lot more oil than other people do. So the third type of skin type is the combination skin type. Now if you have combination skin type like a lot of people do, you are in the middle of oily and dry. Your skin is part oily and part dry. If you fall under that category, you would know because your face is sometimes oily, sometimes dry, sometimes in the middle. Now, the fourth type of skin type is the sensitive skin type. If you have sensitive skin, you'd know because your skin freaks out at every little opportunity, and things that usually works for others do not usually work well on your skin. So that's how you know your sensitive skin type. Now, if you have sensitive skin, your products, you cannot use products that other people in other groups of skin types or sections use. There are particular products that people with sensitive skin use. Now, if you've been using products that oily skin or dry skin or combination skin type use, it may have been the cause of your irritation. Now, the 5th type of skin type is the normal skin type. If you have a normal skin type, your skin is neither oily nor dry, nor oily and dry mixed together. Also, your skin doesn't freak out so much or at all when you apply products on them, especially new products or products with a little harsh chemical. By the way, you shouldn't be applying products with harsh chemical, but even if you do, if you have a normal skin, your skin will be more receptive to that than if you have a sensitive skin. So that's how to know if you have a normal skin. Your skin is neither oily nor dry nor mixed, and it's not super reactive to skincare products applied on it, or atmospheric conditions, environmental conditions, and all of that stuff. In my next video, I'm going to be revealing to you how you can find or how you can figure out where you fall under. I'll tell you how I figured out that I have oily skin even without seeing a dermatologist because you're not so accessible depending on where you are. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to leave your comments. Leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever pertaining skin types, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be in need of this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That's very important to you and to me because when you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, you get to know more things about skincare and how you can make your skin look better. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful.